Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna open my BOXYLUXE for the month of September 2021. I just got it in the mail. I haven't opened it, so this is gonna be the first impressions. I don't remember what I picked last month. I think I picked the mascara, but I don't remember what else I got. So if you want to know what I got in my box, stay tuned. Okay, so let's open it. The first thing that I have is the Boxycharm. It tells you what you got, the prices, and the theme for this month is fall looks. It's very cute. The weather is changing. It feels more like fall, and I'm very happy about that. I really enjoy the weather during the fall. And this is what it looks like. The first thing that I see is these contour cap cosmetics. Let's see. Oh, it's very pretty. It is contour palette. This is Cap Cosmetics Volume 1. Let's see how much it retails for. Okay, this one retails for $60. Okay, the next item that I see here is... Okay, yeah, I choose the Selena Gomez eyeshadow palette. Okay, and this is so pretty. The packaging is super cute. The Selena Gomez eyeshadow palette. Rare Beauty Confident Energy eyeshadow palette. This one retails for $25. Oh my god, I love the packaging. Let's see if I can open it. Oh wow. Wow. This is very pretty. This is very pretty. Let's see some swatches. Okay, it's very pretty. I think my favorite color is this peach color kind of looking. It's very cute. Trust, I think it's Trust is the name of the eyeshadow that I like a lot. Okay, the next item is Rose. Okay, it's a lip scrub. Okay, let's see what it is. I like the packaging too. Okay, it has eyeshadow all over the place now. Okay. It kind of smells like a little strawberry. Okay. I'll try it out definitely. And that one retails for $16. Now let's see what else we're getting here. Saturday Skin. I know that we have received a couple of these products in the past. I mean, the same brand, different products. This is a really cute packaging. I love it. And this is a 7 Luxurious whipped cream with eucalyptus probiotics. Okay. I'm just trying to see if this is like a day or night cream. It doesn't says. Okay, it doesn't say. It doesn't says if it is like a day or night cream. I think. I assume it's a day cream if it doesn't specify. This one is body polish. This one retails for $49, and this is body polish. Well, I guess that's like a scrub. Yeah, it's a scrub. Okay. The The next item that we have in here is the new defense drops. The new cold defense drops. Your first line of defense against getting sick. This immune boosting liquid tincture contains a blend of I never heard of this brand before, or didn't know. We can find this on Boxycharm, so okay, that's new. I don't know what I feel about it. I will have to do more research on this before I take it or anything. But that's good to know. That's interesting. Okay, the next item I have in here is a mascara. I remember this one was one of my choice. And let me see how much is how much it retails for. Okay, this one retails for $26. And okay, so I don't want to open it because I have like 2 or 3 that are here that I need to get through before I open this one. But I love the packaging and I love mascaras. So I'm gonna keep it. I'm very happy for it and I'll be using it. I'll let you know later whenever I get to it how I feel about it. And last but not least, I have this strainer flat iron. It retails for $99. I already have one. I don't know if I want to open it. I might pass it on to someone. Yes, I'm happy I got it so I can pass it on as a gift or something. But I'm not gonna open it because, like I said, I'm just gonna give it away to someone else. So let's recap. So I got this trainer. I got the Selena Gomez eyeshadow palette. I got this contour palette. I got this Sutter Skin whipped cream, okay, with a beautiful packaging. I got this lip scrub, and what else? Oh, I got the mascara, and I got the herbal supplements. I don't know how I feel about this, but overall I think it was an okay box. I'm not crazy happy about it. Oh, hold on. And I also got these bamboo body polish. So yeah, like I said, it was an okay box. I mean, we paid $50 I think for this box, and it's a lot of products. So yeah, probably next month it will be better. But let me know what you got in your Boxycharm and your BOXYLUXE. Did you like it? Were you expecting anything else? Okay, so I don't know what was. I didn't look at any of the spoilers, so I don't know what anything I could have got. But it's an okay box. I'm not mad about it. But I'm not excited either. So, but let me know in the comments below, what do you think about your box? Did you like it? Were you expecting anything else? You don't like it? Or just let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like notification bell. That's gonna be somewhere here, probably. I'll put it right here. And thank you so much for watching my videos and have a nice day. I'll see you later. Bye.